And here is Willis in the Claas Lexion 7500 in a field of wheat. And Willis is just taking off the headland, so he's on his third run round now before he starts going up and down on the long runs. Here's Grouty in the Fendt 936 Vario on the Stewart Road King triaxle trailer, and he's just carting this wheat back to the yard. And in cab with Willis is his trusty dog, Wilf, who finds it nothing better to sit and look for rabbits as they're combining along. And if I zoom in, there you can see Wilf is watching. He doesn't miss a trick, bless him. So Andy's alongside in the Fendt 720 Vario, and Willis is set the auger off, and this wheat is just going into this Stewart Road King triaxle. And here he is coming. Here he is. He says, "I'm here." Here's Wilf. Hello. No, look at camera. Camera. There he is. Good boy. And he absolutely loves it, don't you, mate? Looking for rabbits. Where's the rabbit? Like me mouth. And there's the tank now, it's empty. There's the grain auger bringing that up once it's been through the sieves, rotor, etc. Probably yielding around 9-10 tonne a hectare.
Yeah, 9.5.
And we'll slow it down on this next shot, and we can have a little look at the header as it comes through this wheat. Out comes the auger, and Andy's just going to pull alongside. And Willis will then unload, and fingers crossed this will become milling wheat.